What's going on, everyone? My name's Paul. Welcome back to a new video, and it's officially here. It's time to get in to the S25 Ultra. I was absolutely devastated last year when I had to give up the S24 Ultra. I gave it up for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This will now be leaving me, and I'm now back on a Samsung. Now, I said later on last year, when this phone comes out, I'll be making this my daily driver going forward, so I will be switching. There will be a full video coming up on that, so get ready. There'll be a day in the life, and I'm taking you out in the van with me for a day in the life with this phone to see just how good it is. And let's just get into it. So I went for the 256, but they upgraded it to the 512. It is the titanium Silverblue version. As you can see, this is the new box. S25 Ultra on the bottom, S25 Samsung on that side, Galaxy S25 Ultra on that side, and of course the bits that you rip off the bottom. So let's just go ahead and get straight into this. There will be a case video. There's case videos coming up. There's screen protector videos. So get subscribed now for those videos. But let's go ahead and take this out and whoa. Oh my word. That looks fantastic. I am so glad to be back on a Samsung device. Believe me, after the S24 Ultra, I'd say hands down best phone of last year. I'm so excited for this, and we will be doing a full year with this time. This will be staying. There's that titanium Silverblue. Okay, so titanium Silverblue looks great. Samsung logo on the bottom. The titanium rails look fantastic. And of course, if we go ahead and so good. So let me go ahead and switch it on. I'm now thinking, has it got any power? There we go. So while that's loading up, let me just show you the little bits. Obviously, we all know pretty much now what you get in this. So we'll take it out like so. SIM ejection tool, your usual books and stuff, and of course your USB-C to USB-C cable. I do wish they'd make them braided though, just be like Apple, Copy each other anyway, just be like Apple, it's fine. None of us care anymore, none of us bat an eyelid now, it's just like, you do you, but give us a braided cable. As you can see, I do have a black titanium. This is a dummy phone, so who knows, maybe there'll be a throw-in video like the last one. But there it is. Looks fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and set this up now. Put my SIM card into it, and I'll be back to show you how I've got it set up. Okay, so I am all set up now, ready to roll. SIM card is actually in it. I don't know whether you can see the bars there. But SIM card is already in it. So now I need to go ahead and set this up. So the next video you see will be case videos, screen protector videos, and then there will be a what's on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra video where I'll show you everything I've done, how I've customized it, how I've got it set up, and then we'll go from there. But for now, the S25 Ultra is finally here. I am going to go and get to grips with it and let you know just how good it is and get ready for those videos of the day in the life. So let me know if you picked one up yourself. Let me know what case you're rocking or what screen protector and stuff like that, and anything you want to see for the S25 Ultra, be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. But it's here. Let's get going. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on, and I'll see you in that next video. Come in for a write-up.